Hello guys, I want to take you to how to use SMARTCAT. It is very easy. I will show you some steps. First of all, I have to show you how to start. For example, I have email that has been sent to me by the company, and the company gave me these documents that you see. They need me to translate it into Juba Arabic. So from English to Juba Arabic. I don't know which language are you going to translate into in your smart card, but mine for now is English to Juba Arabic. So from the email, I press the project down here, or I can also press up there. So here, project, and then it will take me to this page. Actually, you need to make an account in a smart card, so they will give you access and the code or password to register and make a new account. After you make a new account, all what they have sent you through the email can also be found in the smart card. In my case, I'm going to start with module 2 because I already finished with module 1, which is here. You can see the percentage is 99.4, and now I'm working on module 2. I'm still having 13.8%. So by clicking on it, it will take me into the page. Okay, yeah, so immediately it will take me to where I stopped. In your case, you're going to start from the beginning. I stopped in page 289. So quickly, I will show you how to work on the document translation. The Arabic file. So I click on it. I will have it open. So what do? I press Windows Start to minimize it to one side. Okay, I also press Windows Start and forward or backward. Then it will bring me this. So dividing the screen into two. And I'm going to go to page 24. It is where I was working on the document. So it is a matter of copying and pasting. Let me go to page 24. If I go back a bit. Okay, 2 more pages. Yeah, it is here that I'm working on. As you can see, you need to be clever enough to see exactly what is stated in the smart card, so you can copy exactly the same thing from the translation. Now in this case, I will copy from bullet number 2. You see, highlight it and then Control C, and then bring it to the smart card, Control paste. Now you see the tag here. To insert the tag, you need to insert the cursor exactly where you find it there. Insert it in your new translation, and then you press on what is on the left. Immediately it will come to the right, to your new translation. Make sure there is no extra space or a comma in the wrong place or a full stop in the wrong place. So if there is a full stop in the original translation here, original document, you should also have full stop here. And if they have a tag there, you must have a tag. Unless if they don't have a tag, you don't need to have a tag. Now don't forget to confirm that you have already finished with that. Now let us see. Now it ticked in green, that means your work is correct. Now I go to the next bullet, I copy, Control C, and I come here, Control V. The same process, I put my cursor where the tag is needed, and then I press on the tag, it is brought. and I check to see if there is extra space or something wrong with the punctuations. And if everything is correct, I click on check and it is done. Now, one thing I want to show you practically is if you have, for example, extra space here, let me make a space like this, for example, and you checked here, immediately it's gonna bring you this sign. Yeah, it will tell you that you have multiple spaces in target. So you have to remove the multiple space, remove one. In my case, I have two. I remove one, so I remain with one. Then you recheck. So it is correct. In case you don't have, for example, let us remove or delete the tag. If you just saved without importing the tag from the original file, and then you checked here, it's going to bring you a red sign here showing that the tag 1 is missing in target. Tag 1 is missing in target, and it will also write for you up there that segment contains critical errors. There's error. That means the translation doesn't match with the original. So you make sure that you have the tag and then you check. Now everything is all right, and then you continue. So if you need anything more explanation, you can contact me. I will show you more details. Thank you very much. Bye bye.